A lot of people ask me, Robbie, how the hell do you pack for so many random places? So I made this film. It's called Travel Like a Travel Writer by Robbie A7rIII. Brought to you by Get Lost Magazine. Inspiring travel. Now get lost. Alright, first, bags. I usually only take two, both of which I carry on. I trust nobody. One is this Lowepro fastback. It's small, it carries a ton, has a hidden pocket for your passport, and best of all, it's super low profile. The other is this Travelpro Crew. Again, super low profile, looks like your Aunt Yolanda's suitcase. It's also borderline indestructible. It's also what most flight crew use. Take note. Okay, so what goes in the bag? Let's see. Underwear, socks, headphones, weight, kaleidoscope, Joe Malone candle, Osmo, mic, art lens, desk fan, animal skull, opium pipe, Geiger counter, umbrella. Close that up and presto. Gear. I told you this bag rocked. So here are the must-haves for me. Camera, Sony A7rIII. It's a beast. 4K slow-mo, 42 megapixels, proxies on the fly with the 24-105. It's light, fast, and it can see in the dark. 50mm Zeiss macro for the fancy stuff. A6300, the little beast. Great B camera. $12 35mm 1.7 CCTV lens with a Sony E-mount adapter. Trust me, you want. Drone, Mavic, enough said. Mics, Rode On-Cam, and two lavs. Noise-canceling headphones. Honestly, I don't know how I flew before these. No more babies. No more crap music while sitting in a cafe. Just silence. Straps. You're carrying a camera all day, you're gonna break your back. I either rock this American Buffalo hipster harness by Holdfast, or I go lo-fi with my $3 self-made bungee strap. It stretches so you can do some pretty smooth pans. Butane lighter. What separates us from the animals is the ability to light fire, or cigarettes. Also, this has a nice little tap at the bottom for undoing camera plates. Manfrotto 930. Light, cheap, and small. Fits in the suitcase, what more do you need? Bandanas. I can't say enough about these. I will always have one slung around my belt and tucked in my back pocket. Why? Something wet? Bandana. Cut yourself? Bandana. Something hot? Bandana. Hair in your face? Bandana. Too bright? Bandana. Can't breathe? Bandana. Street fight? Bandana. Hobo trip? Bandana. Carry something? Bandana. Focus a light? Bandana. Need help? Bandana. Getting kinky? Bandana. Diffusion? Bandana. Screaming baby? Bandana. No towels? Bandana. Loose pants? Bandana. You can also blow your nose into it, but then it's called a hanky. Moving on. E7 Go Bag. Small, light, unfolds into a full backpack, and it's handy in a pinch. Also comes with a solar-powered charger so you can watch episodes of Rick and Morty as you die out in the desert. Passports. 2 if you have them. Also take pictures of them. Print them out. Also email those digital copies to yourself. If you ever lose one, you'll be glad that you did. Global entry. A must. Get you through TSA without them having a fit over the 36 batteries you're taking. Also, coming home is a breeze. Alka-Seltzer, the original Roman tonic. This is a wonder drug. Eat too much, drink too much of anything, and 2 of these will cure it. Notebook. I like to look at who's talking to me when I take notes. Also, it never runs out of batteries. Power strip. If you charge a lot of gear and there's only one plug in the room, this baby's gonna save you. Yeah, I'm looking at you, all of France. Business cards, bats, locks. And that is the base for every trip I take. From the Arctic to Sahara, Brooklyn to Brazil, if I have these items, I can always get the job done, especially bandanas. Did I mention the bandanas? This has been Travel Like a Travel Writer with Robbie A7rIII. Happy trails.